In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove duplicates in Airtable automatically. If you've got a base that's filling up with repeated records like duplicate contacts or entries, cleaning them up manually can be slow and frustrating. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to quickly find and remove duplicates using Airtable's built-in tools without having to sort through everything one by one. First, open your web browser on your computer and head over to airtable.com. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspaces and bases. Give the page a moment to load, then locate the base that contains the duplicates you want to clean up. Next, open the specific base and then choose the table inside that base where the duplicates exist. For example, this might be a contacts table, a leads table, or any table where you suspect repeated records. It's a good idea to quickly scan the table so you have a sense of what kind of duplicates you're dealing with, such as repeated names, emails, or IDs. Now you're ready to use Airtable's dedupe extension. Look to the right-hand side of your screen for the extensions panel. If it's collapsed, click to open it, then find and click on the dedupe extension. If you don't see it right away, it may need to be added from the extension gallery, but once it's there, open it to begin the deduplication process. Inside the dedupe extension, start by confirming the table you want to work with. Make sure it matches the table you just opened in your base. Then choose the field or fields that Airtable should use to look for duplicates. This is important. For instance, you might use an email address field, a unique ID, or a combination like first name and last name. Selecting the right fields helps the tool identify true duplicates rather than just records that happen to be similar. Once you've picked the table and the fields, click the option to find duplicates. Airtable will scan your data and then display any potential duplicate records it detects. This view is where you can compare records side by side, see what's different, and decide what to keep. Take your time reviewing the groups of duplicates. For each group, you'll have options to merge or delete. If you choose merge, Airtable combines the duplicate records into a single record, usually letting you decide which values to keep when there are differences. This is best when you want to preserve data but avoid repeats. If you choose delete, Airtable will remove the extra records and leave just the one you want to keep. Use delete carefully, especially if you're not completely sure which record is the most accurate. After you've made your choices, Airtable will ask you to confirm your actions. This is your final chance to double check that you're merging or deleting the right records. Once you confirm, Airtable automatically updates the table, removing the duplicates based on your selections. When it's done, take a quick look through your table to make sure everything looks clean and consistent. Your data should now be easier to work with duplicate records merged or removed, all handled automatically through the dedupe extension.